Hello guys, welcome you all in your Study Guru and Computer Fundamentals series. This is Krishna Gupta. In previous video, I have discussed about basic of computers and terms related to the computer, and last one is computer hardware and software. Now we will discuss about CPU. So let's start the CPU main points, discussion points like what is CPU, system unit, memory or storage unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and control unit. So we will cover one by one. First is CPU. Now CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the microprocessor. It is the main part of the computer. We can say the brain of computer. So what are the role of computer and what is the CPU perform actions in our system? So what is the role of this computer CPU? First is processing operations apply. What are the processing operation? You can give the input. If you press any button or any click, it will store and give the output also. So it can store the input, it can give the output both, store other instructions also. Now how it work and what is the physical structure of CPU? So simple, you can see this is the CPU and this is the processor. Processor like core i7, and this is i5 also in market, i5 i3 dual core. There are so many processors present. So we can say the many other parts are connected to the CPU through wire and cables. The actual processing is done within this unit only, so it is called the brain of computer. So simple, these all are the main point of CPU. Now, CPU is considered as a brain of computer. CPU perform all the types of data processing unit. It store the data intermediate result and instructions. It control the operation of all the part of computers. So, let's start from the components. CPU itself has three components. First is memory or storage unit. This unit can store instruction data and intermediate result. So what is the meaning of this line? Simple, store information temporary for the calculations, and it store the information in register. We can say the piece of paper for the rough work. Now control unit. What is control unit? This unit control the operations of all the part of computer but does not carry out any actual data processing operation. So what is the meaning? We can say the manage all the operation and peripheral devices. What are the peripheral devices? There we can say the simple keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner. There are so many devices. It will take the input, process the execution of data, and it will give the output, display the result. So these all are the actions performed by the control unit. Now ALU. What is ALU? ALU, this unit consists of two subsection, namely first is arithmetic section and second one is logic section. Now perform all the calculations and logic operations in this particular unit. This is the simple structure of CPU and different units connected to the CPU. First is input. Simple, program and data. Data, it may be 20, 30, A, B, C, any name, any keyword we can say. After that, it will process in a CPU and it will give the output. So first CPU is central processing unit, control unit in this, ALU in this, and now register. So what is register? Registers is a special memory used by the CPU for the temporary stored data. Now MAR, what is MAR? MAR is memory address register. It holds the address of data word to be accessed. It can be any keyword and any data you will press. After that MDR. What is MDR? MDR simple, memory data register. It holds the data word when it transferred to the other form or main memory also. Now what is program counter? PC, general program counter. This is the program counter. Next one is ACC. What is the full form of ACC? Accumulator It stores the intermediate result and final result of the calculation. Its main working area of ALU. So this is the main concept. Now data, if you give the input, it take as a data and stored in the memory, and after that it will be it can be programmed, and after that it will transfer to the output. Now what is output? This is called information or result. So simple, this is the structure of CPU and different connected units. It may be von Neumann architecture also. This is called von Neumann architecture. Now memory or storage unit. This unit can store the instruction data and intermediate results. This unit applies information to other units of the computer when needed. It is also known as intermediate or internal storage unit, or main memory, or the primary memory storage, or random access memory. Its size affects speed, power, and capability. Primary memory and secondary memory are two types of memory in the computer. We will discuss both type of memory in detail in next video. Now function of the memory unit are, so this is the structure of MU. MU just look like this, and now it store all the data and instruction required for the processing. It store the intermediate result or processing. It store the final result of processing before these results are released to the output device. All input and output are transmitted through the main memory. Now control unit. What is control unit? This control unit the operation of all the part of computer but does not carry out any actual data processing unit. So this is the representation of control unit, just like this device. Next is function of the control unit are, it is responsible for the controlling the transfer of the data and instruction among other units of a computer, and it manages the coordinate all the unit of the computer. Unit are input unit and output unit. It will control both the units, and it obtain the instruction from the memory, interpret them, and direct the operation of all the computer. And it communicates with the input output devices for the transfer of data or results from the storage. It does not process or store data. So this is the main point of the control unit. Now what is ALU? ALU, simple, this unit is consist of two subsection, namely first is arithmetic section, next one is logic section. So this is the representation of ALU. This is a device of ALU, look like this. And first is arithmetic section. So function or arithmetic section. Arithmetic section we can say plus, minus, multiply, divide. What are the calculations you perform? A function of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All complex problems are done by making the repetitive use of the above operations. Now logic section. Function of logic section is to perform logic operations. Logic operations just like less than, greater than, and there are so many logic operations such as comparing, selecting, and matching and merging the data. Now this is the CPU example. There are simple different models in market of CPU, you can see. Next is CPU representation in the front view and back view. So this is the CPU, this is the power button. You can see these all are the ports, USB ports. You can connect the pen drive, mouse, and keyboard also. And these are the microphone and different devices you can connect from these different ports. So there we have reset button. This is the DVD drive. So this is the representation in the front view. Next is back side. This is the power connector, you can see, and PS2 keyboard connector, and PS2 mouse connector, serial COM port, BGA port, USB port, microphone jack. This is back side and front also microphones, this like, and line in jack, 56 kbps RJ11 modem port, and thumb screw, expansion slot, security lock port, and 10 by 100 mbps RJ45 Ethernet LAN port, and parallel port, case cooling fan, and thumb screw. So these all are the different parts of the CPU, and power supply cooling fan is also in the upper side. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.